Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie G, and if you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? Today I'm trying to give y'all Aaliyah vibes for the win, okay? This wig was sent to me by Love Muse. It's a 16-inch 5x5 closure wig, and I'm going to show you guys how to get like a frontal-esque install. So I'm starting off with some braids. I got my straight backs, honey. Straight to the backs. It's giving very much Cleo. I'm popping on an HG wig cap, and what I'm going to do is pretty much create a bald cap only on one side because I'm going for a super deep side part. And when I say side part, say it with me, honey. Side part, baby. Lean into the left. We're giving it very much tweet vibes. So I'm twisting my closure over to the left just to kind of get my placement down, make sure that everything is falling into place. And I brought my wig cap down a teensers too far, so I trimmed it up a little bit, and then now we kind of ready to get going, honey. So in order to make the closure lay super flat, I need to trim off this extra little side piece because the lace is doubled and it just doesn't melt the way I need it to. So I'm trimming that back. And I'm also going to pluck a few hairs out of the frontal right here just to kind of blend the closure into my own hairline. And now it's kind of coming together. We still look a little crazy, but it's coming together. It's giving very much Rihanna 2009, but here we go. So I trimmed the lace in a zigzag kind of jagged pattern to see how everything would lay, and now I'm going in with my tweezers and kind of plucking the hairline a bit more because even though it's a closure, we're trying to give scalp. So I'm applying my wig with a little bit of my even lace spray. I applied a bit onto my skin, laid the lace into it, and you really want to kind of press it in there. And to get it to melt even more, I applied a little bit more of that even lace spray on top. And now let's go ahead and get into the styling. So with the closure wig, the key to making it look like a frontal is really just to treat it the exact same. So I'm going to go in with my hot comb, part the hair in sections, and I'm pretty much just going in with my hot comb and laying it into place exactly where I want it using a little bit of hairspray. The reason I'm going through in sections is because if you only do the top, like right along the part, it's going to be really fluffy under that. For a 5x5 closure, that's a lot of space to just be hitting on top, baby. I need to get to them roots. So I'm parting it and sectioning it out to get it exactly how I want it. And as you can see, I'm taking my sweet time getting everything into place. And I'm using the foam to kind of reinforce it and have it to lay exactly how I want. So I'm putting the foam in, brushing it into place, and I'm going to put my scarf on top to let it dry so I can get that, you know, cover the eye swoop. You have to kind of train the hair to go that way. So I'm using the foam to do that. And once she's dry, I'm going in with my 1-inch Babyliss flat irons and I'm straightening all of the hair out. You want it bone straight. And so far, this is what she's given. I'm going in with my wax stick just to get it even smoother and kind of tame the flyaways a little bit, but she's coming together. She's giving what we need her to give. I'm excited to actually flat iron my own hair next week because I really want to see what it's going to give when it's straight. I love my curls, don't get me wrong, but the reason why I want it to be natural is so I can have more versatility with my hair. So I can straighten my hair more often without having to worry about the integrity of my hair like I did when I had a perm because I'd already put so many chemicals on it. So I really love switching my own natural hair up as well. And y'all know I keep me some braids with some oil in my hair just to kind of protect it and help it grow. But what is that all for if I don't actually take my hair down and enjoy it every now and then? So I've been planning planning in, girl, no. I've been planning to straighten my hair for a while now, but it's actually raining here in Dallas, and who not about to waste a silk press is me, because my house is humid, child. My hair will be puffy before I walk outside. Anywho, so I've been just waiting for the perfect time to, you know, straighten my hair. I want to give it a nice trim. I'm actually going to trim it myself because my hairstylist moved. Like, the girl I used to go to trim my hair, she moved. Child, I almost had a heart attack. But I really don't feel like gambling with a new person, and I honestly want to just take the time to trim my own hair and kind of get to know my hair again, because I had it put up all winter. I do not play about protective styles in the winter. That's how I think I get to retain so much length. But yeah, I want to take a little step back from growing my hair to enjoy it and focus on, you know, the health and the integrity of, you know, the strands, honey. I'm so excited to take it down. But yeah, right now I'm rocking these same month-old wig braids that I keep adding more oil to. So my scalp is screaming. Hopefully I can get that video up for you guys later on this week, but we will see. Do not hold me to it. I just been talking, girl. Okay, so where are we? I'm into the cut. I'm getting the layers together. I went ahead and trimmed the ends nice and blunt. That's how you get your wigs to look super expensive. Trim them things, honey. If you want it to be a certain length, order 2 inches longer so that when you trim it, it's nice and healthy at the length that you want it. Scraggly ends on the wig is no cuter than scraggly ends of your own hair, girl. Get it together. Now I'm bumping my ends with that same 1-inch flat iron just to kind of get that, you know, that 90s bumpity bump. And my hair came out so good this day because I kind of just sat down, turned on my show, turned on my music, and just like took my sweet time with it. Sometimes when I film these videos, I kind of feel rushed because I'm trying to, you know, girl, it's my job. I'm trying to, you know, finish work, finish filming before the lighting is changing and all of that stuff. But this day I kind of just had fun with it, and I can tell because my hair always comes out the best when I just have a good time with it. So now that we have everything laid, the wig is laid nice and flat, honey. We have the cut done, the bump at the end. She could be done, but absolutely not on this channel without some baby hairs. So I parted out a thin layer that I'm going to turn into the baby hairs in the front, and I plucked it a little bit just to kind of thin it out, and now I'm going in with my razor comb to trim it. I didn't want to use my scissors so that it didn't come out too blunt on the ends. And then I'm just adding on a little bit of foaming lotion and using that to mold my baby hairs into place. I went a little Betty Boop and added a couple of like little swirls going the opposite direction. And that straight slant part was not doing it for me, so I went ahead and curved the part a little bit. So I'm just going ahead and pressing that into place. And y'all know I had to bump my little eye swoop, girl. So now we have everything laid exactly how I want it. I'm placing a little bit of concealer in the part just to kind of make it pop. I don't place it in the front. I kind of started about 1 inch back on the part because I think that the lace blends a little bit better without the makeup in it. And this is the finished look. Oh, wait. Not yet. This is the finished look, girl. Got the chilly baby hairs. You can see the layers are popping. What do we think? What do the girls think? I think she's giving. I think she's very much giving. I think she came to give, she gave, she gone. I love her. Definitely gonna wear this wig again. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. Comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. I have a faux lock tutorial coming, y'all. So before y'all yelled at me, I'm on it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, babes.